Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create Blu-ray scanning effect in Capcut for PC. So it just add the video effect. So you can find effect training, you can find Blu-ray scanning. This is the new effect from Capcut, and you know what? This is pre effect, not pro effect. So for instance, I'm going to select this, just one image to drag and go to back and select Blu-ray scanning, and can just for the option for the effect, which is you can just put blur, strange, glow, range, and then speed, and you can see, just click play button for the final result. Yeah, you can apply to videos as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. So thank you so much for watching.